Hi, this is Melanie from Hooked to the Left, and today we're going to announce the winner of the Darn Good Yarn box. Let's go ahead and get started. Hi, welcome back to my channel, or welcome for the first time. Thank you so much for joining me today. This is going to be a pretty short video. All I'm going to do is I'm going to announce two things. The very first thing I'm going to announce the winner of the Darn Good Yarn box that I announced about a week ago. So that winner will be announced here shortly. Won't be too long, I promise you. And then the next thing I'm going to go over is a little something about the foundation that my mother runs. I just talking about what you can send and etc. So, and where you can send it to. So let's go ahead and take a look and see who won that Darn Good Yarn box with that recycled silk yarn. It feels like cotton, but it's recycled silk. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and record my phone screen so you guys can see while I'm doing this. And let me just go ahead and go over this way a little bit. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put it right here. I don't know why I get this red spot, but I always have it. Anyway, I'm gonna put it right here. Okay, so I've already entered in my link, and then the next thing that I need to do is I need to hit grab the YouTube comments. So right now it's grabbing the YouTube comments, and there were a total of 53 unique comments. That's awesome, you guys. Thank you so much for taking the time to comment and watching my videos. Of course, I really do appreciate it, which is why I hold these giveaways, because I really appreciate it. All right, so without further ado, let me go ahead and hit that start button, and now it's searching for a winner. Searching. Okay, so the winner is Leanne Stearns, and it says very pretty color. I would use it as a decorative border or a few rows of color pops on a cotton handbag. That sounds awesome, Leanne. So hey, congratulations. I'm so glad that you won. Make sure that you shoot me an email to hookedtotheleft@gmail.com, and from there you can let me know how to get that box to you. So I will get that in the mail to you. So congratulations, Leanne Stearns. Woo! Alright, next up that I want to talk to you about. Well, first of all, I was going to talk about my mom's foundation next, but really what I need to do is I need to say thank you. I am over 500 subs. That's awesome. I actually have, I was originally planning on doing another giveaway for 500 subs, but to be honest with you, I have another giveaway that's starting. If I don't get the video up today, likely I'll get it up tomorrow. And it's gonna run through, I'd say, the next 2 weeks about. Usually I like to run mine about 2 weeks. So, so that's coming up, and that's a pretty big one. So that's also going to be, and of course all of my giveaways are subscriber appreciation giveaways. So that will also be the same. And it's and while I don't mention it in the video because I recorded it before I hit my 500 subs, consider it like a 500 sub giveaway too. But maybe I'll have another one later in the month. But for now, I have that one coming up, and because of timing and the what I'm giving away in it, I need to do that next as opposed to a 500 sub giveaway. And I don't like to have 2 giveaways running at a time. Anyway, I've done it before, just not my biggest thing because it splits focus. So anyway, let me go ahead and just talk to you a little bit about my mom's foundation. So what she's done is she bought this huge home and she's remodeled it. And the way that she's remodeled it is she's got the whole upstairs to herself, and then the downstairs she's going to be dedicating to bringing in young women and girls who are pregnant, who either don't have a home or are in a troubled home. So it is actually a safe house. I can't tell you too much about its location. I can't give you her address, otherwise I'd send it to you, have you send it to her direct. I'm gonna have you send it to my P.O. box, and then you can, and then I'll get it over to her. And of course I also want to see what you're doing, so I want to say thank you. So she's bringing in these girls. Now unfortunately she can't keep these girls once they have the baby, because you have to have special licensing to have a baby there on site. So she's gonna house them while they're with her, and then help them, hopefully the goal is to help them develop some life skills, some homemaking skills, so that they can take care of themselves and their baby, and also get them with some sort of support group surrounding them. So, and part of that has to do with, you know, developing a bond between the three girls that would be staying there. In any case, what I am asking of my crochet friends or knit friends, either one, yarny friends, let's say that, yarny friends, is I am looking for, now I am going to be creating some stuff, but I can only create so much as one person. What I'm looking for is if you guys would like to, I would love if you would donate some of your made items to her foundation. So the first thing that she's gonna need is for the girls, because she hasn't had her first girl yet, and so of course there's no babies yet, but anyway, for the girls, and the girls are coming in with next to nothing to their names. Okay, so what I'm looking for them, and it does get cold up here, it's usually cold starting at about this time, it starts to really cool down, and then it goes through March, and then every once in a while we get another cold snap after that, and going into April. But for the most part, those are our cold months. And our warm months, while it does get pretty warm, it gets in the mid to upper 80s, occasionally gets low 90s, it doesn't get too hot. Of course, whenever you're used to cooler weather, when you're in the upper 80s, hot is really flipping hot. Anyway, so just a heads up on that, because it does get cold for a good amount of the year, and these girls don't have anything there to their name. I think some things that would be great for them are things like throws, or even just a blanket for a twin size bed, cardigans, hats, scarves, cowls, you know, wearables for them. I don't have any specific sizes on these girls, so I would just go middle of the range, like a medium to a large size, if it's something that needs to be sized. Things like throws, scarves, and hats generally don't need to be sized, so those might be a little bit easier, but I will give you an idea of sizes once we start getting some of the girls in. She's opened for girls now because she's working with like the social services, so she's just waiting for notifications. Anyway, so that's for the girls. That's what we need more pressing, as to have the options, and these are given to them. This isn't shared stuff, so they can pick whatever they like, and it is theirs. So that's the thought on that one. And then next up after that, we would need stuff for the baby. These would be newborns, but I would like to see if we could get the girls stuff for newborn to 6-month-old. And so what will happen with these is we will be creating a care box or a care package to send these girls off with. So include baby blankets, Loveys, if you want to do little clothes for, like I said, 0 to 6 months, layette sets, little hats, even the little mitts that can go over their hands so they don't scratch themselves, little booties, you know, anything like that for babies at 0 to 6 months that you can crochet. These will be put in a care package. Now whatever you can send, you don't have to make blankets, you can just make little hat sets or little Loveys, or you know, anything is appreciated, and we'll include those in the care packages and send them off with the girls whenever they go to have the baby, so that they have them there with them. So that's what I'm looking for. Now, where can you send this? I do have a P.O. box. It's linked down below. I'm gonna also update that because I've had that in my comment sections for a while. But I'm also gonna include with that the street address in case for my P.O. box, in case you need it for shipping purposes. So that is it for today. I'm gonna get this posted up as quick as I can, and then I'm gonna edit my giveaway video so that I can get that up either today or tomorrow. And yay, I'm just so excited. So again, congratulations, Leanne Stearns, congratulations. Thank you so much for watching my channel, and I hope you enjoy this box. You guys have an amazing day. Ooh, you know what, before I forget, if you enjoy videos like this, the yarny giveaways, yarny stuff, crochet stuff, anything like that, then go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And if you like this particular video, don't forget to hit that thumbs up. Oh, and hit the bell so that you're always notified whenever I put out new stuff. Again, thank you guys so much. I really appreciate each and every one of you. You guys have an amazing day. Bye-bye.